Hi everyone, my name is Pooja. Today I want to tell you the story of my trip to London, a journey I will never forget. It was my first time traveling outside India. I had never been on an international flight before. I was both excited and nervous. It all started when I got a chance to attend a short course in London. I applied for the UK visa, got my passport ready, and booked my flight. My parents were very happy and helped me pack my bags. I took warm clothes because I knew London would be cold, especially compared to Pune. I packed jackets and sweaters, travel documents, some Indian snacks, a camera to capture every moment. The flight was long, about 9 hours. I flew from Mumbai to Heathrow Airport, one of the busiest airports in the world. The airplane was huge. I had a window seat, and I watched movies, ate food, and looked out of the window. Flying above the clouds felt magical. When the plane landed in London, I felt a cool breeze. The weather was cold and cloudy. Everything looked so clean and organized. I checked into a small hotel near the city center. After resting for a few hours, I started exploring. My first stop was Buckingham Palace. I watched the famous changing of the guard ceremony. The guards were wearing red coats and black hats. They looked serious and didn't even blink. Then I walked to Trafalgar Square, where I saw people feeding birds and artists painting on the street. In the evening, I had dinner at an Indian restaurant. Yes, Indian food in London. It tasted a little different, but it reminded me of home. The next day, I visited the London Eye. It is a giant wheel that moves very slowly. From the top, I could see the whole city, the River Thames, Big Ben, and Tower Bridge. I took a lot of photos and videos. The view was breathtaking. Later, I visited the British Museum. It has things from all over the world: mummies from Egypt, statues from Greece, and even some ancient Indian coins. I also walked around Oxford Street, a famous shopping street. I didn't buy much, but I loved watching people from all over the world. On the third day, something funny happened. The weather changed suddenly. It started raining while I was walking in a park. I didn't have an umbrella. I was getting wet and didn't know what to do. Then a stranger, an old British woman, came to me and offered to share her umbrella. She said, "You're not from here, are you?" I smiled and said, "No, I'm from India." We walked together and talked about books, weather, and food. She said she loved mango lassi. That small moment made me feel like London was not just a big city. It had warm. I tried some British food, fish and chips, baked beans, and a full English breakfast. It was different, but I enjoyed the experience. I also tried traveling on the London Underground, the metro system. It was fast and clean. People read books, listened to music, and everyone followed the rules. I took a ride on the famous red double-decker bus. Sitting on the top floor felt so cool. On the last day, I took a walk along the River Thames. I sat on a bench, watching the boats and people. I felt peaceful and proud. In just a few days, I had learned how to travel alone, made new friends, explored history, culture, and food, and most importantly, gained confidence. It was time to return home. I boarded my flight back with a heart full of memories and a phone full of pictures. When I reached home, I told my family everything and showed them the souvenirs I brought. I gave my brother a snow globe of London and my mom a tea mug with Big Ben on it. My trip to London was more than just travel. It taught me to be independent, to enjoy new cultures, and to be open to experiences. If you ever get a chance to visit another country, take it. Don't be afraid. The world is waiting for you. Thank you for listening to my story.